Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to share with you 5 ways that you can make your YouTube workflow faster. Now, if you're anything like me, that means step 1 is coffee. That's better. All right, so tip 1 is to batch. So that means making multiple videos in one day. Now this saves you a lot of time because you only need to set up. Okay, this is not gonna work. Okay, so this is going to make the process 10 times faster because you only need to go through your setup once. So for me, that means setting up my equipment, and for all the ladies out there, you know how long hair and makeup can take. So I'd really rather just do that once and then use that hair and makeup that I've done for 4 videos at a time. So I actually keep my setup really simple. I just have my mic, then I film on my webcam, have a hard drive to make sure that I store all these files, and then I just have 2 lights like this that actually really come in handy, and I put one on this side and one on this side here. So let me show you what that looks like. And there you go, so here's my setup. Super simple. But even though there's minimal setup, because I'm batching, I only need to do this today, and I can do about 4 videos in one day. So you're just going to power through and get as many videos done in one day as possible. You don't have to do the editing side of things, just the filming. My next tip is to use a project management system to store all of your to-dos and keep any information that you need on hand. I use and love Trello. Here is my video blog workflow, and as you can see, I have information and important links that I need. For example, I have my YouTube description that I add to the bottom of every video, so rather than going and looking for this or rewriting, I could just copy and paste that in. And then I have my workflow, which helps keep me on track, and I can hand this over to my editor when it's ready to go. So overall, using something that will organize all things YouTube. And next, you want to outline your videos first. You don't need to write a full script. When I first started, actually, I tried to do that, and it was a lot more difficult, so it was way more time consuming because I was trying to match the script exactly, and the final product was more unnatural anyways. So now I just outline what I want to say. I have a few main points, and then I sit down and just talk to the camera, and I try to, just talk to you like you're here with me. So this is way faster and another way that you can speed up your workflow. Next is to template everything. So that means all of your transitions, your titles, your intro and outro. You want to create a template for that so that you can just use the same format again and again for every single video. You'll notice that I use the same font, the same colors for every single video. I also have a ton of little icons that I like to add. I also have a ton of little icons that I like to add to my videos, and those are already prepped, ready to go, stored in a file. So this is actually pretty quick and doesn't take too long. And finally, don't overshoot. This is really tempting to do. You want to do it over and over again so that it's perfect, but often I find that my first take is the best anyways. It's always the most natural and when I have the most energy. So all of those extra shots are really just making your process so much longer and drawn out. So try not to overshoot. Your first shots are probably better than you realize. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope that you found these tips helpful and that it helps you speed up your YouTube workflow. I'd love to see what videos you guys are working on, so if you have a YouTube channel, link it for me below. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this, remember to give me a thumbs up and hit subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon with another video.